Greetings and salutations, my name is JW608, and today I am playing Astro Colony. And I have a mission for today. A mission of... Why are you not smelting anything? A mission of production. I want to produce wire. And hold on, where's my wire? There's a machine in here that makes... What is it, the constructor? No, that uses wire. Manufacturing. The manufacturer makes wire, copper wire, gold wire, gears, and motherboard. Also makes steel screws. How do you make steel screws? Probably constructor makes steel screws, iron rod, electric parts, and uses iron rod. So my goal, my initial goal is to make wire, but probably my better goal is to make everything. Everything I'm gonna need. So let's see. How are we gonna do this? You're making all this stuff. I can't make uranium rods, titanium rods, or concrete rods yet. Can't make steel either, but I can make aluminum because I researched steel. Right. Alright, let's check our vat of supplies, and let's grab that. Everybody doing good? Good. Let's throw all this stuff in the smelter by hand. I'm gonna need iron rods, but it's gonna need plates. That should keep you busy for a little bit. You're done with... Yeah, you're done with what you're done with. So, I need plates, but I need bars to get plates. So I guess I could run plates back that way. This is quite the conundrum. I also have the ability to move up. Yeah, tell you what, let's... our vertical columns. We could move up and build stuff up there. I wish there was a way to... Wait a minute. Swap conveyor gates, inputs, outputs, output. Oh, cool. Okay. I don't want to do that. So, alright. Initially, wire. We're going to make wire first. So we need a constructor. Constructor, right? Do I have an advanced constructor? Or are they just constructors? Just constructors. They are not particularly expensive. We can set one up right here. And let's say no, we're not going to set one up right here because I need specifically for it to be plate. Actually, if that is spitting out everything, hold on, let's see what it does when it grabs a something it can't use, like aluminum. I'll hide this. Aluminum bars and dirt right now. Give you aluminum bars and dirt. Yep, it's starting to throw them out. Awesome. So we're just going to cycle everything through that. So I can free up all of this space. That's going to make all this space much better. But then I can F3-1 here and make this. It's going to push. I wish I could do both. F8, we're going to push. Except it wants to push specifically copper. Wait a minute. What are you going to do with the sorter? Ah, that's just split ratios. Okay. I want to split in half. 3, 1. It's going to take half of the copper and run it back into the line and send the other half here. All right, this is going to be overly complicated. Here, I want to take in copper plate. Oh, hold up. Why didn't you build? Here, I want to take in copper plates. And build... No. We're not going to do that complicated. Because if they spit out what they're not using, then we don't have to do that. We just run it through the cycle twice. All right, so we're just going to split everything. Rotate R. Well, I'm thinking, give me a moment. I'm going from factorial, so... I don't want a constructor. I wanted a manufacturer. That's what I wanted. Oh, none of them line up properly. Let's see, and that's gonna spit out that way. I wanted to spit out this way. All right, so we're gonna put you here. You're gonna go away. You're gonna turn this way. All right. I'm working on it. And then you're gonna turn here. Then you get to output. No. Oops, I took out part of the floor. Yes, I think that's what I want. We're gonna take half of this and, oh, no, come on. I'll pocket. There we go. And we're gonna stick there and there because I want like lots of copper wire. And we're going to need electricity for it. So how are we gonna do it? We're gonna bring you up. The nearest electricity. It's over this way, so we're gonna bring you over. And there. All right. Now let's go drop off all the junk we've ripped up and ripped out and all that jazz. Cycle all these, please. Then we're gonna see whether or not this works. Why are you not? Because you, my friend, are backwards. All right, so now half of my material should be going into wire production, and half should be going into other production. Let's see. Let's grab some aluminum, as I know we can't process aluminum yet. I'll throw all this aluminum in here. Make sure that aluminum goes in and doesn't stay in. Building up aluminum and we're dropping off aluminum. Awesome. That's what I wanted. Okay. So now I have a constant source of wire. I don't have a constant source of brain, work with me here. Steel rods, iron rods, which I need plate and carbon and a smelter. Does it have to be advanced? Need plate and carbon. I don't have carbon coming this way, and I don't have plate coming this way. It'd be really nice. Is there a way to specifically grab a filter out? Can we stack? All right, we're gonna experiment here. F3-1. This is experimental. Now that I have enough resources to really experiment, we're gonna make a sushi line. And then we're going to bring this out back into the sushi line. All right. And let's like that. So we're going to spit out of the sushi line. And I don't have anything in my pockets. Put some aluminum ore. No, I want all my aluminum ore. Because that doesn't need to be there. It needs to be processed eventually, but let's see. Let's throw in some aluminum ore. That's enough aluminum ore. And it's just going to go in this loop forever. No, it's not. It's just going to go in this loop forever. Until I... F5. Until I can get a filter. What does a filter do? A filter... It lets that through, maybe? Alright, let's grab something else. Something I only have a handful of. Grab... gold. Let's grab 2 gold. Put that in my pocket. I want to understand how all this stuff works. We're going to throw gold in here. What does the filter do? Filter stops things from moving. Okay. Ah, so this filter will allow gold and... Not only allows gold, except it doesn't just only allow it, just it stops whatever this is. I don't know how useful that is. Okay. Let's try... This is just going to push. That's going to push everything onto this second loop. But that's just a total bypass. Aren't you? Because that's going the wrong way. Except I can change it so it only pushes certain things. It's only going to push the gold now. So aluminum's going to go the main loop. Gold's going to take the outer loop. It looks like things take their turn when they meet. Okay. Aluminum goes through, gold goes through. Get rid of that. What are you? You're the blocker. How's the blocker different from the filter? Blocker just block everything? Oh. Max 5 reached or duplicate. Good. Is the blocker... I don't understand why would you use a blocker. And so that's a... You can't stack them. Split ratios. The splitter is going to put 1 to 1. 1 on this route, 1 on this route. But it doesn't let me control what it splits out, or what it splits. It would be nice if I could combine a filter and a splitter. Alright, so let's see, how am I going to work this out? So if I have, right now I've set it up to push and filter. Huh. Alright, that's been interesting. Because I don't want to draw everything to one spot. I only want to draw some to one spot. Okay, so we're gonna back up our experiment here. Uh-oh. We cut a hole in the floor because I was being all click happy. Probably shouldn't have done that, but I did it. Alright, so we want... Is it? I don't want a corner. I want like a full one, please. There we go. Repair the hole in the floor. Don't care about the broken tiles. Okay, so I've looked at the logic, and it's not gonna do what I wanted to do out of the box. I'm to set up weird conveyor things. Why aren't you producing more faster? More faster. How are you guys doing? You're making electricity. Fun. Production. We're consuming 21, we're producing 20. You know what? We need another one of these. Let's do like this, and F1, 2. So, you need to rotate this way. Let's go F3, 1. Go. And then let's grab our splitter. There we go. It's gonna split Um, why is it splitting that stuff? Oh, because you're... Oops. Oh, stop it. Stop it. All right, so that was dumb. F3, 1, 1. It's gonna come up above this one, and no, 1, 1. One, 1. There we go. All right. So you, I need all this junk you can't burn. We're gonna take half of your carbon and give it to your new friend. There. Oh, here's our first bit of carbon. Oh, and it goes up and down. And it gets to go to the first one, and hopefully 3 of them doesn't mess it up too bad. Do you have any? How much is being used? 16 is being used, but only 10 is being provided. So yeah, we need to add another one of you too, don't we? And also need to connect up that first one. Right. Hey, this is nice, actually, having resources. Okay, so let's see. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Can't see. Is that going? That's going in there. And F5. 5 is our splitter. Let's take half of those, and we're gonna put half in here. Oh no, we're not gonna put half in here. We're only gonna put a quarter in there. Well, I'm gonna put half of a half, so that's a quarter. And I forgot I needed to wire him up as well. All right, so then you are gonna get that half, and you are good. You're gonna get that much. All right, so now I'm producing 30. I'm using 21. Awesome. I wonder if that slows the machines down. Now I'm just gonna run faster. Hopefully I'm gonna mine faster now. All right. That works. Or mine, yeah, I guess mine faster. Hope we do everything faster now we have electricity. So I've set up wires. I've looked at some logic, and I'm still contemplating on how to do what all I need to do. In fact, we're gonna throw you in there. All right. And we're gonna throw all this stuff back in here. All right. Ooh, we're even picking up gold plate, which can be turned into gold wire eventually. I need to research that. I also want to turn on gears. Do you make steel screws? You can make steel screws, but you have to have iron rods. Next up, I need to figure out how to get iron rods into this machine to get my steel screws. But it needs to turn into plate, and it's going to be a backwards loop. I'm not sure I like that, but it's what needs to happen. That is so cool. We get steel screws and iron rods and electronic components. Oh, everything is working out so nicely. And these transporter bots, I'm not exactly sure how to use still. Anywho, I have been JW608. This has been Astro Colony. I will do you cats later.